Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will discuss one of the common issue that most of our customers face, that the broadcast is getting failed. So how to fix this issue and what are the common things that you need to keep in mind while doing the broadcast. So let's discuss all that things in this video. So first of all, make sure that your bot is connected, your WhatsApp bot is connected correctly with one of your number. If the number is not connected, you will not be able to see any number here. All right. If it is connected, you will be able to see the connected number over here in the install your chatbot section. Second is that while doing the broadcast, make sure that you have created the templates, actual template, not the test or demo templates that will not work. You need to connect your own number. You need to create your new templates and get it approved by Meta. And then you can go to broadcast section and over here you can do the broadcast. Over here also you need to select if you are using CSV. Make sure that you are mapping the correct values in the CSV. For a dedicated video for how to do a broadcast using the CSV will be there in the description box below. You can check that. Most of the situations are that the number is not connected, templates are not approved. These are some common things that you need to keep in mind before doing the broadcast. So just ensure that all these things are followed. In case if you still face any issue or if you have any query, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for choosing BotPenguin.